Okay. All right. We are recording. Did you guys have a chance to go through it?
I just
Yeah, I
started
went
it.
through the whole quiz.
Okay. Yeah, me too. It wasn't that hard once I opened up, like I started doing some of the calculations by hand and then I remembered that spreadsheet and I just put everything in and it made it go so much faster.
Which spreadsheet?
It's different than the one we've been using. It's called the categorical data analysis. The link is in the text.
Okay, I'm trying to find it.
It's let me see.
Always bad at or I could control F. It was categorical.
It's down under, like, there's a picture of a mountain and like a river. It's just right above that.
Is categorical data what?
Analysis. And it's all one word. It's towards the end of the
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now did it download?
Do we have a test next week?
Oh, I don't know. You know, I saw that we have like a really short chapter. I don't know. Is it next week?
I don't know.
Let's see. I'm looking on it. Let me. No, not next.
Oh wait, we just started. We had a test last week, so
Yeah.
we're good. I got it mixed up.
So the exam is lesson 20. So November 17th, it looks like. And the exam starts. Where is it? Let's see. I'm not seeing it.
When you downloaded that spreadsheet, did it have you download it all as a zip folder?
No.
When I click it, it takes me to a different page of the textbook.
I can email it to you real quick.
If you don't mind, please.
Yeah, no, I'll do it now.
I don't know how I hate everything.
Is one of you taking economics right now?
I took it last semester.
Oh, okay.
I hated it.
I thought one of you were. I took a test today and I just bombed it.
You're taking macro, right?
Yeah, I'm taking macro.
Dude, I'm
I
telling
did
you,
so well on the first exam, I figured it wouldn't be so hard.
that class was so, I barely squeaked out of there with a C. Like, it was really, really hard for me.
Oh my god. I don't want to take economics.
That makes
I hated it
better.
in school.
I sat at my table for hours, like hours, like 6 hours a day over the summer. My kids were in summer camp studying for 6 hours a day. I couldn't, it's the hardest for me. It was like so unlogical that it was, like, I like really was so glad that class was over, and I was really nervous I wasn't going to pass it and then I was going to have to take it again. So when I got that C, I was like, oh man, it's so hard. I'm sorry, Zachary. It's really hard.
It's all right.
Did I tell you the YouTube channel that I found that really helped me? Did I ever give you that name?
That might be helpful.
Okay,
I don't remember you giving to me. I remember you telling me about it.
Okay, so it's called AC/DC, like the rock band, AC/DC, economics.
Okay.
And he's got like videos on YouTube for pretty much every spot of macroeconomics that you need to know. And he like breaks it down into really simple terms so that it's easy to understand the concepts.
Okay.
Yeah. It was really helpful.
He does the or the concepts or both.
He does both. He shows you how to do the math too.
Okay, good. It's the math that killed me.
Yeah. Yeah, he did. He
But
does.
this should help. This should help a lot.
What are you guys studying right now?
And macronomics?
Yeah.
I'm studying. Well, we just finished productivity,
Okay. Yeah, he's got
so
really good
I don't know
videos
what
on
we're doing
that.
next week.
Yeah, he has good videos.
Sorry, the volume's weird.
Yeah. Do you want me to email you the name of it?
Yeah, that might be good.
Okay. He is really, really, really good.
Nice.
Even has like you can download some of his worksheets. It's like $10 or something for the whole thing. But if I would have known about it at the beginning of the semester, I totally would have done it because he's really good.
That's cool.
Okay. I'll send this to you. Did you get that link, Lexi?
Let me see. Thank you for sending that.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes, I got it. Thank you. See, I'm gonna open that. So you said you use this for this quiz, right? And it helped?
Huh? Yeah.
Perfect.
So you want to make sure you're on the one proportion tab.
Okay.
And then the only things you have to fill in are those blue input fields.
Oh, sweet.
And really you only have to put in the X and the N. And that's it. And then just change the type of test. And then obviously if the confidence interval is different, then you change that. But it made it really fast. Okay. All right. We want to get going on the quiz here.
So I just got the first 4,
Okay.
which is basically the first 2, since the first 2 are done.
Fine. It's fine. Seriously, once you start putting this stuff into the spreadsheet, it goes so fast.
That makes it so much easier because I was sitting here trying to do it all by hand.
I know, I did too, and I'm like, why am I doing this by hand?
It helps to know it, but like after a while, it just takes too much time when you already know you know it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so for number. Oh, what, Zachary? Sorry.
Did you say y'all been doing the math on your papers? Like the math?
I did. I was until I realized that we have the spreadsheet.
You don't mean the square roots too, right?
The what?
Like, are you even doing the square roots as well?
I was. Yeah.
No. Not like by hand. Like we use a calculator for that. I do.
I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, I was using a calculator, but instead of putting the data into the spreadsheet, I was calculating it by hand with my calculator.
Okay.
I think I forget how to even solve for a square root. Oh,
I don't even think I know how to do it.
Y'all sounded more ambitious than me.
I'm always looking for a shortcut.
I just took the easy way around.
Yeah.
Or what I thought was the easy way around.
Oh, man. Okay, so for 3, I got P.
The last one, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're all P's. Yes, the last one.
The last one's only normal p, so you're right.
Okay.
And then 4 was true, correct?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Hypothesis test.
Yeah, I got the same thing.
Okay.
Oh, no, I got, for 4, I got false.
I got true.
Let me pull up what I got. I have it on the calculator.
Okay, I have my number.
So for the first calculation, when you multiply 0.25 times 100, that's 25. That's greater than or equal to 10.
Right.
But
And then the second one, you do 1 minus 0.1, and you get 0.9, and you multiply that by 100, and that's 90.
Right.
So the requirements were met, right?
That's what I got.
I thought it was you multiplied the point 0.1.
Well, you have to do, okay, so you have to do those two tests, like the P,
It's that equation where it's in
Yeah, I'm not sure.
parentheses 1 minus p.
yeah.
So you do 1 minus p and then multiply it by n, right?
Hello. Hi.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Okay, it might be a little bit before I get down there. Is that okay?
Yeah, like but on the I thought for confidence and a hypothesis it's different. For a hypothesis, I thought you used p hat.
Oh, yeah, but
Yeah, not p hat.
number
p
4
hat.
was
Yeah,
the
p
confidence
hat.
interval. But number 4 wasn't the hypothesis. Number 4 is the confidence interval.
No, that's what I'm saying.
So,
It's,
okay, how did you calculate it, Zachary?
I multiplied 0.1 by 10, and since it's not, I mean, 0.1 by 100. Oh wait, that would be more than 10. So they would be met.
Okay, right.
No, I thought they didn't.
Because I got true also.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay,
All right.
yeah, that makes sense.
For number 5, I got true also.
Yeah, I got true too for number 5.
Okay, how about you, Lexi? Oh, did you get that far? Yeah.
I just plugged it in while we were talking, yeah.
Okay.
Now that the spreadsheet is so much easier.
Right, it's so easy.
Yeah.
Okay, for number 6, I got 0.75.
And how did you
Yeah, me too.
by plugging it in?
No, so that one you do 45 over 60.
Two notes.
Although you could use,
Y'all gonna have to excuse me.
You're fine.
I'm using the laptop to do my quiz, so
oh, you're
you'll
fine.
see me in and out.
6. Okay.
Okay. Number 11, I got 0.11.
Number 11?
Yeah.
What about number 7?
Oh, I meant number 7. I'm sorry.
I was like, okay.
I just wanted to skip ahead a little bit.
Okay. I was like, okay. You said
I was
0.11?
a little confused too.
Oh, because the answer is 11. So
Yes,
you're
that's
like,
probably.
okay,
I got
then-
0.11. Is that what you guys got?
yeah.
Yeah, I got 0.11.
All right, sorry about that. I'm a little still sleepy. I stayed up late watching the election results, and so I'm like still recovering.
Dude, I know. I'm so sad. Like, California legalized marijuana.
Did
I'm so done with everyone.
seeing it.
Like,
It was on our ballot, and we didn't pass it, so I was glad for that.
oh, good. It sucks. Like, I love California, but it sucks. Like, when we passed Proposition 8 and they just overturned it.
They did.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was a hard fought fight too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that stinks.
Oh, well.
It's so liberal. California is so liberal.
Yeah, it's bad.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So how'd you get 0.11? It was...
You just do, so you have to find the, you have to get the margin of error.
Mm-hmm.
And that formula is the M equals Z score times the square root of P times 1 minus P over N.
1 minus p over n. Okay.
Yeah, and then if you just plugged that information into the spreadsheet, you would have gotten it too.
Oh, okay. Because looking right above number 7, I was like, this doesn't give us, like, in the information all the numbers, but duh, it was all the information from question
Right.
6. Okay, that's what threw me off. I was like, how did Okay, sorry.
No, that's fine. That was the ones I was starting calculating by hand, and I'm like, why am I doing that?
Mm-hmm.
So I went back and checked my answers, and I was like, well, at least I think I got them right. Okay, number 8, I got 0.640.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I got. It wasn't 0.640. It was something else,
Okay, let me.
like 0.65 or something.
Okay, I'm gonna put it into the spreadsheet here and see.
Does it give you the lower bound in the spreadsheet?
Yeah, it does.
On the first?
You're right. It's 0.655.
Let's see. Okay.
Is that what you got?
Something like that. It's like 6.650. So
Okay.
maybe we're both wrong. I mean, maybe we were both wrong.
So for this one, for N is 60 in the spreadsheet, right?
Yeah.
And
Well,
45.
the X is 60.
Oh, I
Oh, wait,
missed it.
no. You were right. You were right. The N
Right?
is 60. The N is 60. And the X is 45. You were right. Okay. So I still get 6 or 0.640 then.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
All right, that's probably the right answer.
Because is that all you input, or do you have to change the confidence level or the null hypothesis, any of that?
They wanted to know a 95% confidence level.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
Stupid cat is in the house. Sorry. Macy, get out. Bring him in.
okay.
Oh, stupid cat. He's gotta yell, like, he doesn't yell like that. And my sister is carrying him downstairs. He usually yells, like, when he's hiding, because he's funny. But, like, my sister's carrying him down in plain sight, and he's gotta yell, like, haha, he did it. Shut up. He's so annoying.
And it's not even your cat, right?
No, it's not. It's not. He'll like hop in the car and we don't know it. And like when we've gone down to the church or something, and he's like in our car, and we had to drive him back home. And
That's so funny.
he's the worst.
That's awesome. Oh, yeah, that is funny. Oh, that's funny.
So it was. So 8 was 0.640, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the upper bound is that the 0.0592?
I have 0.860.
Okay, so what is that in the, oh, no, I see it. I was reading the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's under confidence interval, right?
Right. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I got 0.860 too.
Okay, good.
We're on the same track now.
Perfect. That's good. That's always good. Okay, question 10, I got decrease.
I got decrease too.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
11, I got 20.
I got 22.
Like 22 or 20 also?
Oh, 20 also.
Okay. Number 12, I got 100.
I got 102.
Okay, good.
100, not 102, but 100.
Right, 100 also. Okay. 13, I got true.
I got true too.
Awesome. Okay. 14, I got 0.475.
Okay.
I got 0.4752.
Awesome. Number 15, I got negative 4.392.
Oh, I got a different answer.
Okay, I wasn't sure. Is that the Z-score that you use?
Yeah, it's the Z-score.
Okay, so I may have done that wrong. 8 and 80.
So X 38.
Decrease. We want to know if it's less than. I still get negative 4.392. What did you get, Zachary?
I got negative 2.282.
How did you do that?
I put a value, which would be 38 out of 80, or whatever value that is. It's 0.475
Yeah.
minus 0.6 over the square root, which would be using the true proportion, which would be using 0.6 for all those values that you do for the standard deviation.
Okay. I got my Z-score by putting it into the spreadsheet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I see that, but
I took too much work for this one. I probably could have used a calculator. I mean, used Excel, not a calculator.
Yeah.
I'm getting everything mixed up.
were we supposed to input anything other than X and N, maybe? Or
I don't think so, because all my other values are the same.
okay.
I mean, I don't know that it.
We could always just try and see.
Yeah. Did you get 0 for the p-value, Zachary?
I got for the p-value for 14.
Yeah.
I got 0.475.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got 0 too, Lexi, or no?
No, for P hat it's 0.475.
Okay, so they're asking for the p-value and not the p-hat.
I thought it was P hat because it has that little thing above it.
Yeah, I thought it was the p-hat too because it's got that
Wait,
half triangle.
you guys are looking at number 16 or number 14?
No, 14.
14.
Okay, so I got 0.475 for that. And then I was on number 16.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, we already did 15.
Yeah.
Okay, I got 0.011.
For the P value for this, for what we did for 15?
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah, I probably,
on the spreadsheet, it just
I'll get a
one,
different value.
right?
It just says zeros, right, Lexi?
Mine says 1.000.
For the p-value?
Yeah. I don't know why.
Okay, you have 38 and 80
Uh-huh.
95, and then you have less than.
Greater than.
Okay, change it to less than because they want to know if it decreased.
Okay, what about null hypothesis? Is that still 0.7?
I think you just leave that. I don't know how, because there's no. Oh wait, you know what? That needs to be 0.6. That might change our answers.
Yeah.
Zachary, you are right.
Yeah. Now the z-score is negative 2.2.
2.2. Yep, and that's what Zachary said. All right, Zachary, you were right.
Okay.
You should feel vindicated.
Okay, so does that change p hat also?
No, yeah, it's still the same.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that what you said for the p-value, Zachary, that you got 0.011?
Yeah, I got the same value.
Okay. And then, all right, the p-value 0.01 is less than, so we failed to reject.
Yeah, I think that we failed to reject.
Okay.
I still get mixed up on that. Rejecting and fail to reject. So how is that?
If the p-value is greater than a, then, and the a is given at the top of the a value in this case is 0.05.
Okay, so where's the a value?
The a value is up, they normally give it to you.
It's that squiggly fish looking thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I hate, this is another reason. Because I have all my names for these things that I shouldn't have. And so it's like stuck in my head. Okay, yeah, 0.5. So what were you saying? If p-value is greater than that?
If p-value is greater than that, you reject the null hypothesis.
Okay, but it's not, so we failed.
Right. So then if a p is less than a, then you fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
So, and then for 18, I got the third one.
That
What
makes
did-
sense.
Yeah,
Yeah? Okay.
I think so.
I'm
Do you
not
want me to submit?
sure.
I think 17 was reject the null hypothesis, actually, because we had a value less than the significance level.
Right. So,
Like the rhyme is reject when it's low.
do I have that backwards on my notes then? Because I have as p is greater than a, you reject the null.
Yeah, 17 is wrong.
Dang it. So it is reject. Ah. Okay, Lexi, reverse what I just told you.
Okay, wait, I'm going to write it down this time. Ready, go.
Okay, so if p is less than a, you reject the null.
Yeah.
Okay, dang it. I had that backwards on my notes. That's probably what I got wrong on the test.
So 18 is also wrong. So there's the only two.
Okay, well, yeah, I would be wrong because then there would be, so the answer then would be there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality has decreased, right, Zachary?
Yeah, that would make that would make sense.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Lexi, do you want me
something
to
like
give
that.
answers?
Yeah.
If you don't mind.
I don't.
Thank you.
You ready?
Yeah, it's opening right now. True. Okay, 3 was P, the last one, right?
4 is true. 5 is true.
Okay.
6 is 0.750.
Okay.
7 is 0.110.
Okay.
8 is 0.640.
Okay.
9.860.
Okay, 10.
Decrease.
11.
20.
20.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
12 is 100.
Okay.
13 is true.
Okay.
What number are we on? Sorry.
Yeah. 14.
14 is 0.475.
And then the z-score.
Negative 2.282.
P-value was 0.011, right?
Yeah.
So we're rejecting the null, right?
Right.
Okay. So then 18 would be,
The last one, I think. I'm going to submit this and see if that's right.
oh,
It is, but I had one wrong. Shoot.
you had one wrong.
Oh, no, it's all right. It's all right.
Oh. I thought you were saying you had question one wrong. I was like,
Oh, no. I thought I did. I looked at it funny. I thought it said I only had a 90%, but I have 100, so that's all right.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
We're gonna stay at this time, right?
Yeah, except for next week. I needed to go a little bit earlier because I have my daughter's appointment, but other than that, we're good.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.